Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make delicious bibingka. Bibingka is a classic Filipino rice cake topped with salted egg, cheddar cheese, or sometimes grated fresh coconut. Let's get baking! We will need 1 cup of rice flour, 1/4 cup of glutinous rice flour, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, sliced salted eggs for toppings, 1 egg, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, add the butter, coconut milk, and the egg. Give it a whisk. Then, sift together the flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Then, mix them together until well combined. Now, pour the mixture into pans lined with banana leaves. Fill it about 3/4 full. Then, top them with 2 to 3 slices of salted eggs. Bake this in a preheated oven of 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. You can also top it with cheddar cheese before baking, or you can add the cheddar cheese after. After baking, top the bibingka with grated cheese, And here's our finished product. This bibingka is really good and very simple to make. Although it is popular during the Christmas season in the Philippines, it is also a nice afternoon snack. This is what it looks like inside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!